Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to run multiple Dropbox accounts simultaneously in Windows. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, if you have a Dropbox business account, you're already at an advantage. Dropbox allows you to link your business account with a personal one. To begin, locate the Dropbox icon on your taskbar, usually found in the bottom right corner near your system notifications. This will open the Dropbox interface. Next, head to the top right corner of the window and click on your avatar. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Preferences from the list. This section contains all your account settings and options. Once you're inside Preferences, navigate to the Account tab. This tab holds everything related to your Dropbox accounts and syncing options. Inside the Account tab, you'll see an option labeled Add Account next to Link Account. Click on it. Dropbox will prompt you to sign in with the credentials of the additional account you want to link. You can add another personal or business account, whichever you need. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the linking process. Once your second account is successfully linked, both Dropbox folders will appear in your File Explorer. And that's it. So that is how you can run multiple Dropbox accounts simultaneously in Windows. So that's all for this video. Thanks.